So this time my custom type is going to be a composite type, and the difference between the simple type and the composite type is that it's a multi-part type. So basically, instead of being bind to just one value of the model, it's binded to three. So I have already my model here, and my example is going to be that it's imagine that you receive a barcode or you scan a barcode, and that barcode it's just 18 digits, and those 18 digits are the first 10 the material number, the year of the material, and the item. So that's why 18, and I got the names from here. So that was my idea for this example. And yeah, as you can see, I already have my type defined, and I have created my file here. And as you can see, it's similar to the other one. The only difference is that the composite type instead of the simple type. And as you can see here, it says A because it's an array of values. And in here we have another parameter that we are not going to use, but I got it from here. And yeah, I think that's everything. I have declared the model here, like I said. And yeah, let's start. So first we are going to receive the value. The value is just a string. So let's make that string three things, like the material, like I said, the year, and the item. So let's just say v value, and let's do a slice from 0 to 10 for the material, and for the year is going to be from 10 to 14, and the item 14 to 18. If we save, come to the app and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we put a breakpoint, oh yeah, I forgot to, let me copy that, yeah, forget. Let me send the things as an array, so don't forget it is different from the simple type. So let's do again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in here, as you can see, we receive it already parsed. So let's validate the values. So what I'm going to do is, if first we are going to material, year, and item, so from a values, and if the material is not of 10 characters, we first let's see if the material has any characters, because if it doesn't have, it's not worth to validate anything. So if the length is equal to 0, going to return, and if it's equal to or different to 10, then let's just say values exception, we need 10 characters for material, or let's just keep it simple, not valid barcodes. Maybe barcode is not the most correct, but let's put it. And for the rest, let's if the year is not valid, and say not a valid year and not a valid item, just because these two are supposed to be numbers. So if they are not valid, they are coming none. So yeah, just some validations. So let's put some numbers and not a valid barcode. The first 10 characters can be letters and numbers, so let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now the next ones needs to be digits. So let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And shouldn't give an error. It gave not a valid here. Why is that? What is appearing? So the year is 0. Oh, because it's 0. Okay, okay. Maybe this is not the best, but let's say that the year cannot be 0. So let's put 2010. And the item, let's say that is 1. So year 2010 and the item is 1. No problem here. And if we put a number, for example, in the item, so let's say that item as a number, it's going to be a problem because, as you see, not valid because we passed supposedly a number here. Okay. And yeah, let's do this way. And now, just to show, I'm going to just join everything. I supposedly should always pass 4 digits because it's an MC. But yeah, just for you to see how it works, let be that way. And in here, we're going to just say the same thing. So we receive and the values, and I'm going to make the year a string. So year to string, and if the year now let's just do this, and if you want you could make a better format value to make sure that if we don't put the right ones it didn't remove. So for example, if I take the 0, put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so the year, and let's say that it goes like this, so we could change the format value to always add zeros, but yeah, I guess you understand. And now if you click submit, as you can see, we have everything divided in our model. I hope you can see. So we have the material, we have the year, and then the item.